I just thought of this analogy and I use this one. I don't know if I've used this one, but I think it works.
You can use
It's
it
like,
now. Yeah.
New Year's resolution. I am going to get into shape when you're not in shape. When in all the various ways, you are not in shape at all. You haven't seen the inside of a
Yeah.
gym in 20 years, whatever it may be. You eat cheeseburgers and go to McDonald's more often than you have vegetables. And so, the full-blown top grading is like saying, all right, I'm getting the gym membership, personal trainer. I'm going to eat perfectly. I'm going to drink a gallon of water every day. And you know what? You will get in shape if you do all of those things. But
For
going
sure.
from zero to all of it,
Yeah.
not many people can
Not,
sustain. I think that's
no.
actually a really, really good analogy. Foolproof hiring is at least get your backside into the gym 3 days a week and do something. Like do something. And maybe, cut out the McDonald's and eat a few more vegetables. That's, it's the equivalent of that.
I
You
like it.
will you'll get in better shape. You're not going to be on the cover of Men's Health or Self magazine anytime soon, but you'll be in a lot better shape. You'll feel better. You'll look better. Your clothes will fit better and stuff.